Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying the essentials and then run the first ingest. Connect your ETL to the MDM staging area and load the timestamped CSV or Excel. Once done, map primary keys and required fields so downstream rules can run. You should validate the first 100 rows immediately to catch schema mismatches and duplicates. This saves rework. If rows fail, flag them and fix the source before continuing, because clean input determines clean monthly output. Once the initial load passes, you apply transforms and reconciliation. Normalize fields like names and addresses and perform code lookup so values match master lists. This avoids downstream conflicts. Next, run deduplication with your 0.85 similarity threshold and choose the master record to preserve authoritative fields. After merges, reconcile record counts, compare staging to source and to last month, and log any mismatches with reasons. Make sure to export a reconciliation report for audit and sign-off. You finish by promoting the cleaned, reconciled dataset into production. Run integrity checks and rebuild any indexes to ensure query performance. Once complete, archive raw and transformed files with metadata and checksums for traceability. If something goes wrong, inspect the ingestion and transform logs immediately, isolate the failing records, and rerun only the incremental ingest after fixes. Finally, notify stakeholders with a summary of changes and attach the reconciliation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.